Amidst the chaos of eldritch terror, a humble yet invaluable tool emerged. A dark leash with harness, a lifeline amidst the looming shadow of the great old one, Cthulhu. As we fled the monstrous entity's wrath, the leash proved instrumental, guiding our loyal companion through the labyrinthine streets of madness. In the face of unspeakable horror, the leash held firm, its sturdy construction a bastion against the encroaching abyss. With each desperate step, it anchored us to reality, a beacon of hope amidst the swirling maelstrom of cosmic dread. Thus, I bestow upon this indispensable artifact a resounding rating of 5 out of 5 stars. In the crucible of chaos, it proved not only a leash, but a symbol of defiance against the unfathomable terrors that lurk beyond the veil of sanity. May it serve as a testament to the resilience of mortal will in the face of incomprehensible adversity.